We now proceed toward bending moment calculation and bending moment diagram. So we start with bending moment calculation. We again start from the left hand support and move towards right hand support. So bending moment at point A will be 0, since we know summation of all moments about point A is 0. Now since all the moments about point A is on the right hand side of section, and by definition of bending moment at A is the sum of all the moments about point A on one side of section. So we have bending moment at A equal to 0. Now since at point A a couple is acting, and we have already discussed that when a couple acts, we determine the bending moment at 2 points, one at the left hand side of section and other at the right hand side. Now since on the left hand side there is no beam, we consider a section towards the right hand side of point A. So bending moment towards the right of A is, if you consider the left hand side of section, you will see that there is a anti-clockwise moment of magnitude 20 kilonewton meter acting. So bending moment towards right of A is minus 20 kilonewton meter. Now we move this section to point B. Bending moment at point B is, if you consider the left hand side of section, we have a clockwise moment formed by the force vertical support action VA, which is acting at a distance of 4 meter from point B. So we have plus 11 into 4. Then there is an anti-clockwise moment of magnitude 20 kilonewton meter. On the left hand side of support, anti-clockwise moment is negative, so we have minus 20. Also, there is a anti-clockwise moment formed by this uniformly distributed load acting at the span of 4 meter, whose magnitude will be 2 multiplied by 4, 8 kilonewton, and acting at the center of the UDL. So we have the moment as minus 2 into 4 multiplied by distance is 2 meters. So on calculating we get 8 kilonewton meter. Now we move towards point C. Now at this point we have choice, either we can consider the left hand side of section or the right hand side. Why? Because on the left hand side of section we have more number of forces and moments as compared to the right hand side. So considering the right hand side will be more easier, but for consistency I am considering the left hand side of section. Now bending moment at C is, there will be a clockwise moment due to this force. So we have 11 multiplied by distance as 6 meter. Then there is an anti-clockwise moment on the left hand side of magnitude 20 kilonewton meter, so we have minus 20. Then there is an anti-clockwise moment due to this UDL, which will be acting at a distance of 2 meter from here to here and 2 meter from here to here. So minus 2 into 4, this gives you the magnitude of UDL multiplied by the distance is 4 meter. So the value comes out to be 14 kilonewton meter. Now we move towards point D. Now before point D, we take a section towards left of D and very near to it. The reason is at point D there is a couple acting. So we need to take moment at 2 points, one towards the left of that point and towards the right. So bending moment towards left of D is given as moment formed by this support action 11 multiplied by the span 8 meter minus same 20 kilonewton meter minus moment caused by this force. This will be 2 into 4, which is the magnitude, multiplied by distance. Distance will be 2 meter plus 2 meter plus 2 meter, so 6 meter. So this is equal to minus 30 kilonewton meter. We can always verify this by considering the right hand side of the section. There is a clockwise moment of 30 kilonewton meter, considered as negative, so we have the same value, bending moment towards left of D as minus 30 kilonewton meter. And finally, the bending moment at point D is 0, since summation of all the moments about any point, and if this point is point D, is equal to 0, so our bending moment will also be 0, since our point is at the extreme end, and the bending moment is the summation of all the moments on one left hand side of the section. So with this, our bending moment calculation is over. We now plot the variation of bending moment along the length of the beam.